5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, 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 level up.
Hey, what's up, lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Stephanie. I'd like to welcome all my new little subbies and viewers. Today I'm going to be doing my first attempt voiceover video. It's just going to be a very simple look. I have already done my eyebrows and my foundation routine off camera because that's nothing new and I really don't have any new products to work with. The only thing new that I got from Ulta the other day were these Wet n Wild 3-in-1 priming waters. I absolutely love these and I recommend these for everybody, and I think they're only just like maybe like $4, $3 or $4, I don't know. I got all of them. I got the this is the cucumber, this is the rose, and then I got coconut, and I love these. I love to use these even before, like I'll put on my moisturizer and then I'll spray it down. I'll put on some face primer and then I'll spray it down, and I really love the way that my foundation wears whenever I use these waters. I even kind of enjoy using those more than the Morphe setting spray, even though I love the Morphe setting spray. These are more for like a budget, and I don't know, I just like using those. And then I'm kind of nervous to show my new palette just because of all the tea and drama going on behind Tati and the James Charles little thing going on between them. But I did get the new James Charles palette finally. It's been sold out everywhere. Like, I was finally able to order this off of the Ulta website. I mean, y'all have seen countless of tutorials with this. It's just, this is kind of like my go-to palette because it just has everything in it. So you're probably going to see a lot of videos of me using this palette just because it is a really nice palette and I absolutely love the formula. It is so easy to blend out. But okay, enough of me running my mouth. I'm going to go ahead and get into this look today. Like I said, it's just going to be a very simple look. I'm just doing this to practice a voiceover. I've been seeing a lot of voiceover videos and they look fairly simple, but we'll see how it goes. So if you want to see what I'm going to do today, then continue watching. Alright guys, I'm just going to tip into that brown shade and I'm going to work that into the crease of my eye, just back and forth motion. And then I'm going to take this flat brush and dip it into that red shade. And I'm also going to be working that in the crease of my eye as well as the lid. I'm just going to pack that on and then blend it out. I'm going to take that fluff brush again, dip into that brown shade, and just kind of work them two together, blending them all together. It should look a little something like this. Alright guys, I went ahead and finished my lashes up off camera. They are the Ardell double stacks. I just went ahead and used that with the duo glue. And now I'm going to go ahead and finish on my my under eye on camera. If I can find my palette. Okay, here it is. I'm just going to take that same, I'm going to use this Luxie. This is the 213 brush. It's just an eye shading brush. And I'm going to go into that brown shade that I started with. And I'm just going to apply that right underneath. And I use this bigger brush, this eyeshadow brush, just because I want it to kind of come down a little bit more. I don't want it like right underneath the, I want to kind of blend it out underneath my eye. I'm just going to take that back and forth underneath my eye. And then I'm going to just kind of step out of the box here, and I'm going to go with a Morphe M574 brush, and I'm going to pick up this blue shade. Whoa. And I'm just going to work that in the corners of my eyes. Just I want a little pop of color. Alright, after I do that, I'm just going to take any black eyeliner, go ahead and do my waterline and tightline and just apply some mascara, and then I'll be back to bronze my face up. Alright guys, after I went ahead and applied some eyeliner and mascara on my bottom lash, I'm not going to do any contouring or anything. I am going to bronze up my face. I'm going to use my favorite, the Butter Bronzer. This is in deep bronze. I'm just going to bronze it up a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to go into the Cover FX palette, and I'm going to pick up this blush. Alright, I'm going to pick up that blush in the Color FX palette. I really like it. It's a really rosy blush. I'm just going to kind of work on the apples of my cheeks. I just took it on the Morphe M104 brush. And then I'm going to take some highlight. I'm going to take it on the Morphe M451 brush. And of course, it's the Chisme from the Becky G ColourPop collab. And I'm going to work that on my high points of my face. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take the coconut Wet n Wild 3-in-1 primer water and set this into place. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and outline my lips with the LA Colors lip pencil. This is Fiery Red. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the Olive Serai ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Arriba. This is my favorite red matte. I need to get a new one, but... Alright guys, this is the finished look. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video. This video is literally scattered all over the place. This is literally me finishing up this video like an hour after I initially filmed, so this is the makeup that an hour's wear, I guess. But anyways guys, alright, I hope you liked that video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Also, don't forget to check out the video that I'm going to leave at the end of this video. It is my giveaway video. It is running until May 31st. So go check that out and make sure you enter the giveaway. Thank you all so much for the continued support.